Hello children. Hi. All are doing good? Yes. Okay. Watch the last video? Yes. In the last video, we are discussing about the PowerPoint. And in that PowerPoint, I explained you 3 different ways we can create a new presentation. Did you all practice? Yes, very good. And I gave you the small task also last class about save water, make a presentation with minimum 3 slides. All you are done? Yes, very good. But I have received only few. Others, if you are done, please send it to me in the Teams. Don't forget. Okay, will you all? I just want a simple presentation. Either any one method you can use and send it to me in the Microsoft Teams. Will you all do that for me? Yes, great. Okay, and now today in this video we are going to learn how we can run the presentation and how we can open the saved presentation and how we can save the presentation. These are all the 3 concepts we are going to learn in PowerPoint today. Are you ready? Yes, let's begin now. So, children, in the last class, we learned about all this, like how we can insert the themes and what are the steps to insert themes and templates and 3 different ways to create a presentation. And I hope you all remember what is this? Yes, when I insert a new slide, these are all the different layouts I can choose when I am inserting a new slide to a presentation. And today we are going to learn how we can insert the text and how we can insert the pictures also on the slide. Are you ready? Yes. And shortcut keys also we learned. And tell me, to insert a new slide, which key I need to press? Control M. The new slide is added. And I just want to duplicate the same slide. I'll just press Control D. So I got a same slide. I'll just delete this. Imagine that there was no placeholder. How can I type the text in the slide? Is it possible? Yes? Can I type here by clicking? There was no cursor. How can I type then? Yes, make sure whenever you want to type any text or if you want to insert any picture to a slide, we need a placeholder. Without a placeholder, you cannot type or you cannot insert a pictures. So we need a placeholder to place a text inside a slide. Okay, otherwise you cannot see the cursor. When the cursor is not there, I cannot type. So to add a text, I need to click on Insert tab, and can you just see here a text box? Yes, I can insert the text box and my mouse pointer will change to the symbol sword. What is the symbol looks like? It is sword. Okay, and then I can click and drag. So my placeholder is ready and now I can type a text. What is the topic I gave you in the last class? About save water. You can type it like this. And all the font formatting which we learnt in MS Word, all the formatting can be applied in PowerPoint also. There is no difference between the MS Word and PowerPoint in applying the font formatting. You all know what is meant by font formatting, right? Yes, making a font more attractive way. I'll just select this and I'll change the style. I'll change it to Gabriola and then I'll increase the size of the font. Yes, I increased and I want it in the same line, then I'll drag the placeholder like this. And if I want to apply a color for any formatting, make sure you need to select the text, then only you can apply the formatting. Okay, I can just change the color and more formatting. If I want to do for this text, I can click on the font tab and then I can just change the different styles like outline with the one color. Yes, outline with the green, and if you feel like outline should be thick, then I can increase the weight. Yes, can you? Yes. And text fill color also you can change. Now fill color and the outline color are different, and if I want to give a more effects, then I can click on text effects. Yes, these are all the different text effects I can add to the text. If I want with the shadow, yes. Okay, still you can increase or decrease the size. Okay, and then you can, once if we can see a four-headed arrow, then only you can move the placeholder. Okay, if I want to move this text on the slide, then I need to select and click on the four-headed arrow and then I can move the text. So it is simple to add a text. First I need to place the placeholder or the text box. The text box will be present under which tab? Yes, it is present under the insert tab, and then I can go with the text box or even I can go with the word art. Okay, once the placeholder is inserted, then I can type the text. And now we'll take one more slide, Control D. I'll just select the slide and press Control D. Yes, and now let's see the steps how we can insert a picture. How to delete this placeholder? First, you have to click on the four-headed arrow. Make sure this outline box is selected. If it is a dotted rectangle, can you see the dotted? Yes, if it is a dotted rectangle, then a text is selected. And once if you click on that with the four-headed arrow, the line will be a dark. You will get a dark rectangle. Then the outline was selected. Then only you can delete the placeholder by pressing the delete key. Is it clear? I'll just do the undo. Once again, see, if you are selecting like this and if I press the delete key, only the text is deleted. If I want to delete a complete text box, then I need to click on the four-headed arrow on the line and then press the delete key. Okay, yes. And now I want to insert a picture which is already saved in the computer. Pictures can be inserted of two different types. One which is already saved in the computer, and the second I can insert the pictures from the online directly. Okay, once if I click on the pictures button under the insert tab, it will ask me for the two options, this device and online pictures. Okay, I'll just click on this device and I'll choose the location from where I want to insert. Double click the folder and then choose the picture and then click on insert. I'll place this on the top corner and I can reduce the size. Even I can rotate. And I can reduce it. This is how I can insert the pictures. Is it clear? Let's see the steps once. Okay. Now let's see the steps how to insert a picture from a file into a slide. Okay. As we discussed, there was two different ways to insert a picture into a presentation. One from the file which is already saved in the computer or the laptop, and the second from the online pictures. Directly from the internet I can insert the pictures. And let's see the first method, like inserting a picture from the file. For that, first click the insert tab. The first thing, we need to click on the insert tab, and then we need to click on the pictures button in the image group. It was the image group in the insert tab. I need to click on the picture option in that. Once if I click on the picture option, the insert picture dialog box will appear, and then I need to search for the picture where already I have saved in the computer, and then select the picture which we want to insert. Once if you have selected the picture, then I can click on the insert tab. So I hope it is clear. There are three simple steps. First, click on the insert tab, and the second one, choose the pictures option under the image group, and then once you search for the location where the picture is saved, and then select the picture, click on the insert. Okay, and then let's see now how to insert the online pictures. Online pictures means which are not saved in the computer. When your computer is connected to a internet, directly I can search the images from the internet and then I can insert. Okay, for that, first I need to click on the insert tab and then click on online pictures button in the image group. In some versions, the online pictures button will be separate, and in some versions of the computer, the pictures icon only we have a sub option for pictures from the device and online pictures. Then you can choose the online pictures button. Once if you click on that, automatically the insert picture panel will appear. A dialog box or the pop-up window will appear. In that, we need to search for the keywords. What type of an image we want? We need to type the keyword. Automatically, the MS Office will go to the Bing image search. This is one of the most commonly used search engine for the Microsoft. Okay, like even we have a Google search. Yes, in the same way, the Microsoft uses the Bing image search when I click the option called online pictures, and then choose any one picture and then click on the insert. Shall we see this in the PowerPoint how we can do it? Yes, I'll press the escape key and I'll insert one more slide. Here, if I want to insert a picture for this topic, online picture from the internet, so let's see how we can do it. So first step, as we discussed, first I need to click on insert, and then I told in few versions the pictures and online pictures, two buttons will be there, and in few latest version under the picture only we have two options. this device from the computer which is already saved, or I can choose the online pictures. Now I'll click online pictures. It is loading. Once if I click on the online pictures, automatically it will open a search box. This is a Bing image search. Can you see here Bing? Yes, this is a default search engine for the Microsoft Office. I can just type the keyword like water drop. And then I'll press the enter key and it will search. Yes, for the save water, I can just choose any one image. Okay, whichever the image I want to insert to my presentation, I'll just select and then click on the insert option. Automatically the image is inserted, and now by using the corner handles, I'll just reduce the size. Okay children, yes, this is how I can insert the pictures directly from online, from the internet. This you will get an option only when your computer is connected to the internet. If the computer is not connected to the internet, you cannot insert the pictures directly from the online. Okay, and you can insert only the pictures which are saved in your computer. So is this clear? Okay, let's see now how to save the presentation. So let us discuss the steps to save the presentation. For that, first there was two different methods to save the file. One, directly I can click a save button on the quick access toolbar. You know where is the quick access toolbar? Yes, where the quick access toolbar will be? Yes, quick access toolbar will be on the top left corner of the window. I can directly click on that button and then give a file name by choosing the location. That is a one method. A second method, I need to click on File tab and then click the Save option. Once if I click the Save option, a Save As panel window will appear, and from that window I need to choose the location where you want the file to save. Isn't it? When I ask you to preserve some paper or a book, then definitely you will ask me, ma'am, where should I keep? Isn't it? Why? Because if we are saving a file in a specific location, then it is easy for us to retrieve the file back again. If I am not specifying any location, simply if I type the file name and click save, then also the file will be saved. Okay, but I don't know where the file has saved. When I don't know the file where it has saved, then it is easy for me to take it back? No, I can take it back, but it is not easy. I need to search, and then I can find it. But when I know the location where I have saved my file, then my work is very easy to open the same file again for the next time. Isn't it? It is nothing but organizing your file. That is the most important. Whenever you are saving any file, the most important thing is you need to save it in the proper location. Like just how we arrange our clothes, books in one place. Why? Because it is easy for us to access and take whenever we want it. In the same way, in a computer also, whenever you are saving a file, please make sure you all save the file in a proper location. Okay, so choose the location and then type the file name and click on the save. Let's see now the steps to save once again. Okay, yes. So first method, I can click directly on the quick access toolbar. Can you just see the save button on the top? Yes, I can click. And the second method, I need to click on file tab and then choose save. I have already given the name, so directly it is saving. If I click on save as, it is asking me where to save the file. As I told, the location is most important to save the file. So always click this PC, double click, and then it will show you a list of drives which are available in your computer, and you choose your own drive where you are saving all your files. I am saving all my files in D drive, so I will click on D, and Aruna is the folder which I have created, and all the presentations I made a separate folder, and I'll double click and I am saving the file by the name as class 4 PowerPoint, and then I'll click on save. So it's already there. It is asking you, do you want to replace? Yes. So then my file name will be displayed on the title bar. Can you see the title bar? Class 4 PowerPoint. In class 3 also we learned how to save the file. So saving a file is the most important. Okay children? Is it clear? Yes. So practice the same thing, how to save the which you have created in a proper location, and even practice how to insert the pictures also. And again we will meet in the next video. Until that, take care. Bye.